Assalamualaikum friends, today I'm going to do quick hands-on review of Samsung Galaxy S24 series. The first device that we have here is Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, which is now in titanium finish as you can see, and on the back side we have 200 megapixel camera. Because of titanium finish that they are using, it is now very expensive compared to Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, and it is using Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor in international market. But the weird thing is that the other devices that I'm going to show you in few minutes, they are using Exynos processor, but only the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is using Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, and it comes with 256 GB storage. Same like Apple, they are copying Apple at this point. It does not have a 128 GB version. And the display is 6.8 inches display. We have flat panel on the front, which was curved before, a little bit curved, but now it is totally flat. And as you can see, the price is 5,399 Saudi Riyals. You can buy this in extra stores, which is really expensive in my opinion, and it is fast, but honestly it is very expensive, and because of titanium I believe. So looks really good actually, and it has S Pen. As you can see on the side we have S Pen. The other device we have here is Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus, which is using Exynos processor in international market. So that is a weird thing because it does not come with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. So I don't know why they did that, but it is using aluminum frame instead of titanium. And it is exactly like iPhone. As you can see, rounded edges it has, and 6.7 inches display on the front, which is 120 Hz refresh rate. It has 120 Hz refresh rate and HDR10 plus. Both of them, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra and S24 Plus, has AMOLED display, 120 Hz refresh rate, and as you can see the price is 3,999 Saudi Riyals. And the third device and the last one we have here is Samsung Galaxy S24. And as you can see, I really like this device because it is very easy to use in one hand, and the build quality is also very good. It is not actually titanium, but it is using aluminum frame. S24 Ultra has a titanium frame, and the display is really good actually. You can easily use it with one hand. So it has 6.2 inches AMOLED display, 120 Hz refresh rate, same LTPO AMOLED display that is used in the S24 Ultra, but the resolution is 1080p, and in S24 Ultra it is using 1440p display. So guys, if we talk about cameras, in S24 and S24 Plus, it has 50 megapixel sensor, and it does not have a 200 megapixel camera, so that is okay. But in this price, guys, honestly I can say S24 is looking really good in this price. If you want to upgrade, you can buy S24, but S24 Ultra is really expensive, and but the lack of Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 is a little bit disappointing actually. Exynos is not powerful compared to Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. So if you like this video, guys, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, guys. I will see you guys in the next video. Allah Hafiz.